Check him out. Hey, mama. Cool, eh? Oh, there's a kingfisher right on the bottom of that tree. Right there. Oh, he just took off. I used to watch one of those fish every night in my old spot when I was growing up. The kingfisher. He'd always like freak out before he goes down in the water too. When he finds a fish, like screeches a whole bunch. And then dives. So you could always tell to look when you hear the screech. It's kind of cool. There he is. Oh no, that's a robin. Where is it? Oh, it's a kingfisher.
Meep, 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 meep. Meep, meep, meep.
Oh, he took off. It's okay, buddy. You're not supposed to play with matches, dude. Oh, look it. There's the hawk buddy too, man. What timing? Again, it's not timing, right? I thought I told you, man, don't play with matches. You don't play with matches. What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't play with these. It's bad, man. You're gonna get burned. You're gonna get burned. Gotta help out nature when you can, man. Take them matches away from them. They don't start forest fires, right? That was so cool, though, man. It wasn't a kingfisher, it was some other kind of bird. But it got my attention, and it flew away, and then flew back. Then I walked over to try and get it to land in my hand, and it flies right towards me, and then straight up in the air, man, right towards the hawk. That's being chased by a bunch of birds. Probably eating his lunch over here somewhere. It's awesome. Gotta love nature. Alright, kitties. Enjoy the little swamp here.